Applying Schengen visa on an Indian passport is one of the most difficult things because of the documentation required, because of the appointment slots, and also high rejections for Indian passport holders. So in this video guys, a lot of people have been asking me from the last 3 to 4 months when I got my multiple entry Schengen visa with France, asking me which has got the highest approval rate and which should I go for, and I'll also give you very important tips based on the VFS that are going to apply. So watch this video till the end so you gather maximum information out of this video. But however guys, before we get started, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are regularly watching my content are disappointingly non-subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button and support my channel. So I'm going to talk about these 5 countries in descending order on which is the best to apply now in 2026 as per the last 18 months data, and this has been verified with different sources online, and I've also checked with a few people from different cities in India on what is the success rate with regards to VFS on that city. And also I'll give you my example how I got my Schengen visa in just 2 working days at the end of this video. So please stay tuned guys. So the 5th country with the highest approval rate, as you can see on my screen, is Hungary. Now Hungary is gathering very high popularity due to its quicker access, and also the processing time is just 10 to 20 working days. Now Hungary is very underrated when it comes to Indian passport holders. Now Budapest is a city where a lot of Indians do visit, but directly applying to Hungary, which has not been happening from over the last few years, and 2026 data clearly suggests that going for Hungary in 2026 has higher approval chances, and also the processing time of processing per application is very less. So if you're confused and if you don't know where exactly to go, or if your destination to go is Budapest, then definitely do consider Hungary, because Hungary is offering visas very quickly as per the existing data. 4th country on the list is the world's happiest country, that is Finland. Now Finland is giving appointments relatively very quickly, and also the processing time for Finland is about 10 to 15 days, and I have personally checked this in VFS Bangalore and VFS Chennai and also VFS Mumbai. Delhi is always having slots guys, that's why I'm very envious of Delhi. Delhi has more number of slots and more number of applicants as well, but other VFS is having also slots to Finland. So again, world's happiest country Finland. I've been to Finland in 2024. It's a fantastic country and it offers very high processing time. Now the main confusion is people come to me saying I have to visit I have to go to a Europe trip within 2 months, I have to go to Europe trip within 3 months. So kindly educate me or suggest me which country I should apply to get fast approval rates. Now Finland, definitely you must consider for fast approval rates because of the data between the last 18 months, that is from 2024 end to 2026 beginning, that is January of 2026. So highly do consider applying for Finland as it's got faster processing times, and people who have applied for Finland have also told me that they have got their passports back in 2 to 3 working days. Number 3 on the list is Sweden. Now Sweden is belonging to the Scandinavian zone, or you can say Nordic countries, and Sweden is one of those countries where the processing time is insanely fast guys. I got a message from one of my subscribers, I shared the Instagram status as well. He got his Schengen visa within 4 working days, and his consulate is not even there from the city that he applied. So do consider Sweden. They have a processing time of about 10 to 15 working days, but that is just the upper limit, but you have maximum chances of getting your visa anywhere between 1 to 6 working days. So Sweden again is very underrated with Indians. A lot of people go with Germany, Italy, etc., but Sweden is one of those countries definitely you should plan to apply because of the high approval rates and faster processing times. Now when I say faster processing times guys, now you might submit your passport but you might get the rejection, but in other countries, like when I applied to Norway in 2024, my passport was with Norwegian embassy for almost 2 months, and then only I got my passport. But I got the visa, but I got my passport in almost 2 months. So now when you apply for a visa, whether it's accepted or rejected, we expect faster processing times, and similarly Sweden is offering insanely faster processing times. Number 2 on the list is Spain. Now Spain again is very underrated because because of the cost of the flights from India to Spain, like in Bangalore to Barcelona or Mumbai to Barcelona or Delhi to Madrid or Delhi to Valencia. The flights are a bit expensive considering Spain is almost in the south of Europe and in the heart of Europe as well. And the processing times for this is just 7 working days. Remember this, very, very important, guys. Spain visa can only be applied through BLS and not VFS. So VFS is slightly different, BLS is different. So whenever you are applying for Spain visa, always go to BLS, which is, I have heard, personally I have not applied for Spain visa, but what I have heard is it is much faster. The people are like more efficient than VFS is what I've heard. They said the BLS is more quick when you go, or there is no wait times, or there is particular applications being sorted out, is very quick because they don't accept many countries. Spain is one of those countries where BLS accepts. So highly do consider applying for Spain. Again, Spain is one of the beautiful countries in Europe, in Central Europe, which I haven't seen. My plan is definitely to visit Spain, but do consider Spain if you are planning for a faster processing time from whether from VFS, Bangalore, Chennai or Mumbai. I've personally checked the slots in BLS. Slots are available for at least next 5 to 7 days. So if you're confused, if you want your Schengen visa very, very quickly, guys, then highly look at Spain, because Spain has a very, very insanely high processing time and also very quick response time. The number 1 on the list is my favorite and most of your favorite as well, that is France. Now I applied for a Schengen visa last September and I got a French visa within 2 working days from VFS Bangalore, because French consulate is in Bangalore itself. I submitted my documents I think on Thursday or Friday and I got my visa on Tuesday. I got a message to collect. I went and collected it on Thursday, and when I opened the passport, I got multiple entry Schengen visa, which was very, very happy. And I was extremely happy to see I got 1 year multiple entry visa. Yes, I had kind of written that I need multiple entry visa, but I did not mention whether I want 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. So France has got faster and higher processing times, especially if you are applying from VFS Bangalore, VFS Chennai or VFS Delhi. These 3 centers I have seen insanely fast processing times with regards to France. Of course, there is a few things I want to clarify in this video, guys. The first thing is, now wherever you are going, ideally you will have to apply Schengen visa for that particular country. Now if your plan is to visit Switzerland, I recommend to apply for Switzerland. If you do not find slots, or if there is any issue, if there is any rejection, then try for other country. Because ideally when you are applying for a Schengen visa, I would recommend is first port of entry, keep that country, and while returning you can either return from that country or return from different country. This is a very, very big misconception. Only avoid this process when you have no choice, but when you have choice, directly land in the country. Another misconception is, now let's say I went from Bangalore to Oslo, which is capital of Norway. Now I went from Bangalore to Dubai to Oslo, and my first entry was in Oslo. But a lot of people, what they do is they book Lufthansa Airlines or any cheap airlines. It goes from Bangalore to Germany to Oslo. Now as your first port of entry is in Germany, your stamp of Schengen visa will be done in Germany only, not in Norway. So the flight between Norway to Germany will be a domestic flight. So please remember this. Do not get confused. The first port of entry should always be from the country you applied for. Why I am saying this is the chances are maximum. Now with this Schengen visa, you can visit 29 countries with addition of Romania and Bulgaria very, very recently. With one visa you can visit 29 countries, which is a bumper offer in my opinion. So whenever you are applying for Schengen visa, follow my videos. I've made ton of videos, and the most important part of any Schengen visa is the cover letter and itinerary, and that holds 50 to 60% of your visa. If you want cover letter, if you want itinerary, if you want sponsorship letter, guys, please reach out to me on Instagram. Let's have it prepared for you. I'm going to prepare it at a very, very minimal cost, less than a whole pizza which you can get in Bangalore or Mumbai or Chennai. So cover letter holds maximum strength. Your application might be extremely strong, but if you don't submit proper cover letter, your visa is going to be rejected. Please remember that. And please reach out to me if you have any questions. If you need to speak to me, please follow me and then ping me on Instagram, because sometimes I'm not getting notified. So that's it about this video, guys. Again, to wrap it up, France has got one of the highest approvals and fastest processing times. Even though it might not have reached the percentage of 1 or 2% of rejection, but the fastest processing times is definitely France. And if you see VFS, right, VFS Bangalore, VFS Chennai, France has got the highest number of slots. You have to remember that. So I hope this information is very, very helpful, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video.